This year, at the North American Neuromodulation Society's 2024 meeting, we're marking our 4th year of innovation and excellence. NANISX is proud to be your beacon of advancement in outpatient spine surgery. Visit us at booth number 529 and dive into the future with our portfolio companies. Discover NanoFUSE Biologics' groundbreaking bone regeneration technology. Witness the decade-strong reliability of Inspan's interspinous fixation device. Explore Sacrix's revolutionary approach to sacroiliac joint fusion, and trust in the proven efficacy of FacetFuse's trans-facet pedicle screw fixation. Our less exposure spine surgery uses the latest techniques and technology for outpatient procedures, ensuring proven, safe, effective, and easily mastered surgeries that preserve natural anatomy, reduce radiation, minimize blood loss, and enable quick recovery. It's more than technology. It's a movement that empowers orthopedic and neurosurgeons alongside interventional pain specialists to lead the way with confidence, safety, and rapid recovery at the forefront. We are also excited to unveil our 2 recent Journal of Spine Surgery publications. Our first study showed that Inspan was effective as a standalone fixation at L5-S1 in patients with spinal stenosis and degenerative disc disease. Our second study focused on Sacrix, safely revising failed direct lateral implants in SIJ fusions without implant removal. Meet the leaders of spine care, board-certified experts, passionate about sharing their groundbreaking work and the latest research, all published in peer-reviewed journals. People have the opportunity to invest in the company, become an owner, engage with the executive council, CEO, and key opinion leaders to explore their investment choices and learn how it can be utilized for retirement planning. And when the day ends, the connection begins. Join us at our Key Opinion Leaders Dinner on January 19th at the exclusive Nobu Sushi at Caesar Palace for an evening of networking and insight. Learn more at booth number 529. This is an event you won't want to miss. NANISX at NANS 2024, where expertise meets innovation. Be part of the spine surgery revolution. We're not just building solutions, we're creating a legacy.